Hey everyone, it's Joshua Gibbons back with another update on my Amazon FBA journey. So once again, thank you so much for everyone who comments. I think I say this every video now, but literally I'm so grateful for everyone who comments and follows along with my journey, tries to help me out. And in my recent video, I spoke about bouncing back from some negative reviews that I had. So here's the latest. It is not going great, I will tell you that. So since I've come back to 4 stars, the only thing that's really improved is the consistency of when I'll get one sale. So before it was like maybe one day I'll get a sale, then I won't get a sale for 2 days and then I'll get another. But now it's been like one sale a day with, you know, one day maybe not a sale. If this makes sense, I hope it does. Even still, it's like this whole kind of learning curve is really interesting to me. You know, learning the different things I can do to start picking this back up again. So as well as getting some more positive reviews, which I'm really trying to do, changing up my jump send campaigns. I will also be changing my photos. I watched a video from Dylan Reed. A lot of you will know him in the Amazon FBA UK space. He did an amazing video about photos, and it made me think, looking through some other listings, that their photos do look better than mine. So I'm going to change my photos. I'm going to keep trying to get some more positive reviews, and again, it's just going to be a waiting game. There's Chinese New Year coming, but I already gotten a reorder going pretty much. I think it arrives tomorrow, actually. I think I read on the UPS thing. So I've got enough stock. I just need to figure it out, start picking things back up again. But most of my sales have been organic. As I was looking through my reports, I noticed I had more organic sales, you know, since Christmas, since it all went south. More organic than PPC. So I've turned PPC down to, you know, a very low daily budget just in case I do get a sale from it. But because I managed to rank on page 1 for a couple of keywords, I do end up picking up like one sale every now and again organically. So, you know, I'm just sacrificing my rank a bit, sacrificing profits for a bit, because I know that I just need to get things rolling again. I know it's an amazing product. That is the frustrating thing, guys. And I think hopefully this is helping you, seeing someone's product launch actually not going perfectly. There's a lot to learn for me and for you. So let me know if you have any questions at all down below. But as of today, it is one sale a day, some days none, and I'm on a low PPC. I'm going to be changing my photos this week, and I'm going to hopefully get some more positive reviews. So that's what I'm going to do. We can turn it around. I will keep you guys updated. I'm going to do some videos about my product launch strategy when I actually got 3.4k in revenue in the first month, when it actually went well. And then also I'm going to bring out another video on mistakes to avoid, which will be talking about kind of since the Christmas period and after, when I got myself some bad reviews. So let me know if they'll be helpful. I think it'll be really beneficial for other people starting out to not make mistakes and to learn from. So thank you very much, guys. Just a little update. Appreciate all the messages that you send me throughout the weeks, and I will catch you in my next video.